another reaction coming in from another TMC MP. TMC doubling down on the offensive, and this time this reaction has come from Mahua Moitra. And this is the tweet that she has put out. Let me just read out what she's trying to say here. Again, trying to suggest that it wasn't really a protest by the students. So she goes on to say, no, bodies have not fallen. Sorry, BJP. She's again targeting the media here. To disappoint your desires, this is not a common citizens' march. Again, trying to undermine this protest by a student organization, as was being claimed earlier. She goes on to say, students, women, barely. So according to her, there were no students in this protest. There was no woman in this particular protest. A bunch of goons throwing bricks at police. So this is a reaction coming in from Mahua Moitra, trying to undermine the anger that citizens are feeling at this point in time. The anger that we saw on the streets of Kolkata. And now, viewers, I will like to show you what exactly happened in the last few hours in Kolkata. It was an apolitical protest by a student organization. They wanted to protest against the West Bengal Chief Minister. And here we are seeing a lot of students who are people who came out to protest. They were trying to cross over to the other side. They were trying to break the barricades. And then there were tear gas shells. We saw water cannons being used as well on the protesters, and then how barricades were breached. The protesters were lathi charged as well, because there were thousands of police personnel who were already stationed on this entire route, because they were anticipating that there is going to be violence. And now TMC is trying to suggest that BJP's Shubhendu Adhikari in fact is the mastermind. It wasn't a protest by the students. So even before the protest march could begin, the clampdown had already begun, and TMC had already started suggesting that it is not a protest by the students in Kolkata. And this, of course, was the situation just a few hours ago.